what's happening inside a baby's brain in the first 5 years that makes these years so important?
So a human baby come into this world, compared to other the babies of the other animals, we are still very premature. Human baby cannot talk, cannot walk, cannot do anything basically. All baby can do is cry and poop and sleep. Three things. So what happens in the first 5 years, if I use a single word, is construction. So in the first 5 years, if you can imagine what happens in the brain, you imagine two places. One is a house which is already been formed, and one a house which is under construction. So if you make a video of it and just fast forward it, you will see a house which is like your house, my house. When does the moment happen? When you leave the house, when you come the house at night time, you turn the lights on, during the day you turn the lights off. That's the kind of picture you get. But a house under construction, you will see a lot of workers and machines, and they are running around and they are moving things. There's a lot of supply, and then a lot is happening. So same is the case with the baby brain at the time of birth. So the baby's brain at the time of birth is around 25% of adult size, and then it reaches to 90% of adult size by 5 year of age. And during this time, millions millions and billions of neuronal connections are going to make. The child has to learn everything. He has to learn how to look, how to hear, how to develop. But child has to develop language. Child has to learn how to walk and how to develop communication, and that is going to happen by millions of neuronal connections. So each faculty which the child develops, basically there are multiple neurons who gonna join each other. They're gonna make a synapse with each other. And then the other thing which happens is our brain has two major substances. One is the gray matter, which is basically a neuronal cell bodies, and then we have the white matter. So the matter, you can imagine it is as if you imagine a spider which jumps from one place to another place. What does a spider do? It leaves a thread. Similarly, the way our brain is formed, right next to the two lakes we have in our brain, we call them ventricles. So there are neuronal stem cells, or the neurons. Then they move from that place to the periphery, and then they leave a thread like a spider thread. And that thread is initially not myelinated. It means it's like a wire without an insulation on it.